Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I am at Auto Credit Canada, and it's about -8 degrees outside or so. So we're doing some cold starts. This is a 2008 Ford Escape, and I think this is a front wheel drive. It does not have any badging saying 4-wheel drive on it at all. But I'm not going to guess that until I see inside and see if it says 4-wheel drive. It does have auto headlights, and this is actually a pretty nicely trimmed out one. There we go. And it has 105,000 kilometers on it.
California.
So we'll get her started up. Starts up good, runs good. Sorry about the camera work, but it's a little cold outside and I'm trying to keep my hands warm. Pop the hood. And we'll unlock all the doors too. Normal condensation out the exhaust since it is so cold out. In the back, so you have your floor mats, cargo cover, and it's actually in really clean condition. This interior is really clean. Clean back here as well. And it is a V6. So that would be a 3-liter, I think. And yes, 3-liter V6 with an automatic transmission. I think it's a 4 or 5 speed. No, 4 or 5 speed. Running smooth, running sweet, and it has a Motorcraft Max battery. Looks newer too. In real nice shape too. Ford OEM bug deflector on it, and those things actually work surprisingly well. But yeah, that is a cold start of this 2008 Ford Escape V6 3-liter front wheel drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and share this video, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.